Very interesting question on matrices if you look at the way part B has been phrased here. But let's start with part A with the information which reads that given that A is equal to 4, 5, 1, 1 and B is equal to x minus 1, 1, 2, 0, find on A transpose. So for A transpose, we'll just change the arrangement of the elements with what we've been given in matrix A here. So the order will not change. This here is a 2 by 2 matrix, and A transpose also will be a 2 by 2 matrix. So this will be done as follows. So for solution, I'm going to show the following. So on A, for A transpose, here we are simply changing the rows to columns. So with the first row here, this one has 4, 5. So now this will change to a column, which will be 4, then 5. Then for the second row, where there's 1 and 1, here we'll change to 1 and 1, which is a column. And then we close. So this here is A transpose. So this here is for the first part. All right, so moving on to the second part B. Now for the second part B, we want to find x if AB is equal to 10, 4, 2, 1. Now we know that when we multiply, for the first matrix we pick the row, and for the second matrix we pick the column. This here will give us 10. So here to get x, I'll just show this as follows. So I'll multiply 4 times x minus 1. So meaning the first matrix I'm picking rows, then for the second matrix I'm picking columns, so that we can get the matrix AB. But I'm not going to show for all the entries. I'm just showing for the first row, the first column, to get 10. So this is 4 times x minus 1. So for B, it is 4 times x minus 1, then plus. The next multiplication is 5 times 2. So 5, then times 2, and this equals to 10. So this here will give us the value of x. So we've come up with an equation that we have to solve. So 4 times x, this gives 4x. 4 times negative 1, that gives negative 4. Then plus 5 times 2, that gives 10. And this equals to 10. Okay, so here it's just a matter of working out like terms. Negative 4 plus 10, that gives us positive 6. And this equal to 10. So we take 6 to the right side. So this will be 4x equal to 10 take away 6. And 10 take away 6, that is simply 4. And to get the value of x, we divide through by 4 both sides, such that 4 into 4 gives 1. 1 times x gives us x equal to 4 into 4. Here we get 1. So meaning that the value of x is 1. All right, so this here is the solution to this question on matrices. Thank you so much for watching this video.